Viewers, now we prove one interesting result. Why a into 0 or 0 into a, whatever may be, is 0. At first, to prove this, if a be any arbitrary number, where a is any arbitrary number, whatever may be the result of a, if considering a as a variable or something, then why these things happen? That means if we prove it, then we can say any number multiplied by 0, that result will be 0. The question is why these things happen. Now actually 0 is the identity element we know from the group theory, but here this one identity element is added with another identity element. This gives this identity element. So here we can say 0 plus 0, that will be equals to 0. If we are operating with a from the both side of this equation, that is, so we can say by distributive property a into 0 plus a into 0 is equal to a into 0, and which imply if we operating with inverse element of a into 0 is minus of a into 0 plus a into 0 plus a into 0. So it also says that minus of a into 0 plus a into 0, and it's clear by associative property we can say a into 0 plus a into 0 plus a into 0. But here these two elements are inverse to each other, so by additive inverse they are saying 0. This is because this is the additive inverse with respect to plus, not multiplicative. Here also you observe that's additive inverse element, so it will also be 0. 0 plus a into 0 is 0. But if any identity element added with the same element, that result will be the same from the group property. So we can say a into 0 equals to 0. In this way we can easily prove if any element is multiplied by 0, we can say the result will be 0. So these conclusions have been drawn already by some elementary property that's demonstrated, so today we end our discussion. Thank you.